welcome in my YouTube channel called Mentor Round. In this video, I'm going to share you result of one of the stores which I'm running for the client. I hope you will like it, guys. And if you like it, then please subscribe this channel and also click on the bell icon so that whenever I'm uploading a new video, you will able to get it on the first notifications. So and if you're not making money and if you're not generating sales, guys, you can always message me and I will share my email address and the WhatsApp number in the description section also. So then you can reach out to me and you can take my guidance whenever I'm free. I will message you back, guys, and I will guide you how to make money, how to get a great conversion rate on the e-commerce stores. So I'm little busy, guys, and if you are, and we can start something great also, some project also, but I'm not going to into that. I'm running more than 26 store, and all the 26 stores doing great at the moment, and I've got around 17 interest clients. So I am very good experience in this, guy. So I am the good person to teach you, guide you, and show you something which is very authentic. So in this store I started, let me share the story of this store. Last previous month, one of my clients just asked me to say, Rahul, let's just start one more store for him. So I was not eager to start, but I thought, okay, let's just start one more store for you. So it is not so old, it is just 1 month old, and it is going great right now. We are doing great at the moment. You can see, guys, yesterday our sales was around 8, and only total visitor was just 49, guys. So out of 49 visitor, I received around 8 orders, and my conversion rate is 14% above, it's close to 15%. So it is great, but I am looking forward this to reach around 20%, 25%, because whenever it is more than 20%, I am very happy. It still makes me happy, but it's still, okay. Let's see the result for the last 7 days. I hope you will like this, guys, and if you like this, please subscribe this channel. So the last 7 days, guys, you can see on an average my conversion rate is around 8%, and out of 385 visitors I have received 39 orders, and my returning customer rate is 5.13. so it is good. Let me tell you, it is good. But if my average conversion rate is more than 10%, I am very happy. I will be more happy. So it is still, guys, and I will achieve that. You can see, why. See this, out of 89 add to cart, reach checkout is 90. So if I had around 90 out of 50 customers, 50 customer out of 385, 50 customer, then my conversion rate on an average basis in the last 7 days it would had been more than around 13 to 14 or 15%. But still, we are working hard. We are working on the SEO. We are working on many things, and in coming month we will achieve that. I will share the result with you that also, guys. So first let's see this. Let's see last 30 days. It's not more than 30 days old. So last 30 days, guys, conversion is 6, and according to standard it is good, but it's not good. I'm still looking forward to have at least 10%, but once we started, our conversion rate is going up and slowly. In the first week when we started, we had conversion rate of 1 or 2% or 3% for the first week. In the second week it went around 6 to 7%. In the third week it around to 9 to 10%. Now you can see also, now it is going above 14%. It's close to 15%. I think after 2 weeks it will be reached to around 20%. So, guys, this is the result, and I want to share one thing with you. In e-commerce, you have to be motivated. I have got a lot of students who ask, they are not motivated. They just research one item, they start selling for few items, they don't get sales, they become discouraged and they stop the business. Don't do that, please, guys. If your process is right, if your strategy is right, if your things are right, if you are doing right thing on the right time, and then let me tell you, no one is going to stop you. No one is going to stop you. Even I am making this kind of money only because I always fail. Okay, I always fail. If I am failing with the 2 item, but I am winning with the 3rd item. In standard rule, what I am saying, I will test 5 item, 4 item will fail for me, but all the 5 item should be well researched. It should be strategically well, and it is not be random product like choosing and seeing some other and just trying to sell that. No, don't do that. Never do that. Choose 5 item, work around 7 to 8 days on every product, like the target audience, their interest, how we are going to sell it, what will be your target audience, then start selling. And I will give you guarantee, guys, out of 5, if you are doing this kind of research and then you are starting any campaign, then guys, you will make good money. And if your 4 item fail, definitely one is going to work for you and it is going to give you money. Okay, and if you are not doing it, I am sorry, you can stop this business. This business is not for you, guys. So this business involves research, and it is not research which you will find on the YouTube channel, other channel, how to do the product. No, research. And if I want to know how I research my product, how I know which can be sold, how do I research, then please subscribe this channel, because I'm going to make one separate video on how to research the product, guys. So I hope you have liked this video, and if you have liked this video, then please subscribe this channel, like the channel, and also please click on the bell icon. And if you have any of your friends, then please share this video with them, so that they can also join this channel and they can learn. And if you have any question, just write in the comment section. I am here to give you reply, and I will answer in that. I will also share my contact number, WhatsApp number, and the email address. You can also reach out to me through that. So guys, now let's meet you in the next video. See you, tata, bye bye, thank you.